Okay guys, again, so drive smooth, drive safe, and be confident on your driving. Those are the three important keys that you need to show the exam. So I'm going to start making a right here on the parking lot. Check signal, scan around, check my blind spot. And then I'm clear. I want to go. Right here on North Service Road. It's red, I need to stop, then I can flip up, make sure there's no pedestrian crossing in front of me. It's clear, I can go, it's safe to go. There's a sign here, so I will switch lane to the left. There's a sign that my lane is merging, okay, or ending. Then I will speed up to 60. That's 60 there. Okay, so this road is 60, the North Service Road. Okay, so bring my speed to 60. Monitor your speed, be aware of your speed. Always scan every 5 to 8 seconds. Scan one of your mirror, your rear view mirror, and then your side view mirror. One of them every 5 to 8 seconds. Then I will make a right here, they will make a turn right here on Kearns Road. Kearns. And so you hug the corner, it's green, there's a pedestrian, so I slow down a little bit. And then I go, 40 begins here, so be aware of your speed. Make sure you don't go over 40. Okay? Let's go. Scan, always scan ahead, scan your rear view mirror, and then scan your side view mirror. After 5-8 seconds, there's a hump. There's 2 humps here, okay, so be careful. Make sure you are looking ahead and checking all the signs on the roads. So speed hump. Kind of drive smoothly to the humps, and I can see there's a stop sign here, so they will make you turn left here, or either they can make you turn right. This road is Four Seasons Road. Okay, Four Seasons Road, so make a left here, stop 1, 2, 3, then check your blind spot, and then you go if you're safe to go, or you came first, so another 40 here. So on this area, they will make you do uphill parking. Okay, so let's do uphill parking. Okay, so make sure you have a good distance from the curb, around a foot away, and you turn your steering wheel to the left, and then you show your park, and then okay, keep your signal onto the right. Leave it. Okay, now you drive. There we go. You want to straighten up your steering wheel, you can, but if you're comfortable or you're convenient driving, so you'll be okay. And then if there's a car here, they will make you parallel parking. If there's no car, you make. So let's do 3-point turn here. So you pull over. Okay, make sure there's no fire hydrant better, and then you just do a 3-pointer, make sure it's clear. Look around, scan signal. There you go. Make sure you don't hit the curb. Very wide road. Scan, blind spot, signal left. and then go. And be aware of your speed. This is downhill. Okay, so make sure you don't go over 40. So we're heading back now to the test center. You've done your maneuvers, so we're going back. We'll make a right here on this always stop here. Make a left here on Kearns Road. So I came first, check my blind spot, then I turn. Okay, very safe. So again, there's 40 signs, there's a lot of speed signs, so you won't miss the stop signs, I mean the speed signs. Okay, so another hump here. Okay, so go drive 40. There's another hump. Okay, so drive smooth to the hump. There you go. So as you can see, this is again downhill, so make sure your speed is alright. Don't go over 40. If accidentally you go over, maybe probably 42. Okay, so we'll make a left here, so we'll enter immediately here on the left turn, on the left hand side, the extreme left, and then we'll make a left here. Be aware of your distance. Turn green now, so scan your pedestrian on the left. Make sure there's no pedestrians. And then you got 60 here, so let's speed up to 60. The North Service Road. So your test is very simple. This is the easiest. It's not fair to say easiest for the new drivers, but this is the simplest, I should say. Alright. Okay, so scan, don't forget to scan your mirrors, be aware of your speed. Alright, so 58, 60, 62, that's fine, and then we'll make a left here on the traffic light. We're going here on your test center, okay, on the mall. So it turns red, so I need to stop here and wait for the green light. Make sure you stop smoothly, always looking at the light. Make sure you don't hesitate or skip the red light or beat the red light. Okay, so I'm scanning the pedestrian here. I roll slowly, not more than half of the road. Look at my lane, so I can set up my car perfectly, where I can turn quick and smooth on my lane on the left. So I kept looking at the pedestrian and the cars. Okay, it's clear now. I'm sparse, so it's green. It's still green. Make sure you look at the light too. That's my switch. And then I'm here now on the test center. Then this is at the four-way stop. Right away here. There's a pedestrian. So make sure it's safe to go, so I can turn out. And I'll make a left here. And then let's do reverse parking here. 2, 3. Let's go reverse. Look around, scan before you go. Look at the back, and let's go. Right. Scan, look around. Okay, now I'm good. You can glance on the camera if you don't know where you are. Okay, there you go. The test is done, so it's just the easiest route here in Burlington.